Yep. So, I'll all right, what is up, y'all? This is the I was gonna say the Rolalo, but this is the Wltoys 144001. There was the box. Here's the side. Oh man, because these are pretty much identical. So I did get the red one. They didn't circle what one you have, but yeah. Plus their naming. I mean, Wltoys, their naming scheme is terrible. There's the transmitter, which does seem pretty good. A little less customizable than the Rolalo, but I think it is better. So here's the bag of goodies. You can see we got the manual, which looks, I mean, you can see that's pretty much the Wltoys one. There's a couple things. So if you read these, they're pretty funny to look at. You know, some spelling mistakes and what they call like if you look at the end, the battery strap, I forget what they call it, but you'll laugh, man. There's like a thank you card. And then you get their charger, or no, sorry, the wrench. Plastic, yo. This is plastic. Boo. At least give us the little metal one. It's better than nothing, but still. There's the charger, which these, they're okay. They're probably going to take a couple hours to charge. I didn't use them. There is the 2S LiPo, which this one actually did charge to 4.2 volts. The ones with the Rolalo, I tried all of them since I had 4 of them, because I got to return the other one, and they never charged to 4.2. It says like something battery check disconnect, and the last time I checked it was like 4.15. So, but in any case, I do have some batteries coming, so stay tuned for those, like Hovo ones. So they should definitely be better. And then I won't run these, and then M2R Racing, which I believe that was like a 64 game, right? I believe so. So it feels, I mean, cheap. None of these really feel expensive, even like, you know, the ones with the Arma and stuff. They don't feel the best, but all that matters is if it works. If you can get that signal to your car and it works and it's not laggy, it's good. So you get 4 AA's you got to put in here. So that's good, because some come with like 3, which is kind of weird, but at least, you know, 2 or 4, because it should last a while in here. You get your steering trim and throttle trim, and then you take it out of the package. Yeah, she is pretty nice looking, man. I like these little Buggy now. They're fun. I didn't think I'd have this much fun with these, but there is another Wltoys I want too. That is pretty damn fast from what I've heard. Boom. She is pretty cute. Or handsome. Whatever you want to say. You know I love red, but I do like the green body a little better, so I did order it. And I do like these the rims. They look pretty cool. But these are more for, the tires look like more for loose dirt than the Rolalo one. So 2 body pins, awesome. Better than 3, because these are a little hard to take out. But I do have a little tip in a little bit I'll show you guys. You can see the shocks. So there are some videos on this of what to look for, like filling the diffs, because I guess they use grease for the diffs. But and you can see like the camber and stuff is off. But we'll see that when we drive it. And there is just a closer look at the body. Nice body, man. It's not my favorite, but it's pretty nice. And you can see it, there was a little scratch in there. That's how it came. And I also did try to put the heat sink on it, but the body just didn't fit right, so I took them off. There's the 2 body clips. And here's the inside of the car. So the same shocks, oil filled, which is awesome. you want oil filled so it doesn't bounce as much. And these do have oil in them. You take a look at like the servo and everything. This one might be a little slower, the servo, but it's good. It's fine. I don't really have a problem too much if they're fast or slow. But yeah, there's the other LiPo, which, like I said, these charge to 4.2, man, so I don't know why those other ones didn't. So here is the 4 batteries. Definitely use rechargeable or these lithium. And here's a little tip. Take 1 or 2 pliers and just kind of bend the circle side up. He sees it. Oh. Get it. So I do got this kind of low. Georgie, what's that, buddy? Georgie, don't bite. No. So someone said this is faster than the Wltoys. Georgie, no. So I'm excited to try that out. The Wltoys is pretty fast. It's not the fastest thing, but it's perfect for how I want it. Yeah, there we go. Alright guys, hopefully I can take it outside. If not, so it does look like it's drying up, but you can see it's been freaking windy here again, with some wind gusts probably 30 miles an hour. So maybe I'll charge up the battery and run it a little bit, because it's not too bad. Just back here, and then we'll definitely do another running video in the street, maybe later tonight. I don't know. We'll see. Alright guys, we got it out. Alright, so right now I can tell you I like something better than the Wltoys, which I never mentioned, but after like running a couple times I figured it out. Sorry about the wind, I'm trying to block it. So you guys can't see it, but I'll try to maybe do a close-up. When you turn with the Wltoys one, you just turn the wheel a little bit and it's already a full turn. This one, it's more proportional. So this thing will probably be easier to drive. But this isn't full speed either. It's not as like jerky. Oh. See, I'm not lying, man. I'm gonna go throttle. I think that was, let's see. Yeah, this is all the way down. Full speed all the way down. I'll try to do about halfway. Just about halfway. Jeez. Oh. Someone said this one is faster, a little faster than the Wltoys. And also, this battery did charge to 4.2 volts. the ones that came with the Rollarlo, they'd only charge you like 4.15, and then it would say something about battery disconnect. But I do have some Hovo ones, or whatever you call them, coming tomorrow, so you know I'm definitely gonna run those instead of these. 2 of those were like 25 bucks. Yeah, I can tell you this is much easier to drive, yo. Get that. So I think this motor is more speed and less torque than the other one. Whoa. But it just snowed, so there's probably less traction than normal. Alright, I'm gonna go in a corner. Gonna. Oh, damn. Well, yeah, we'll see. I think the other one might have a little more traction, but like I said, we'll see if it's just because it's a little wet. Also, the tires are cheap for the other one, like 18 bucks for 4. So that's definitely not too bad. Alright, I'm gonna get it. See, these are fun, yo, for doing what I'm doing. Alright, we're about to gun it on Buggy. Oh shit. We're gonna go slow and then gun it. Jeez. Oh, come on, baby. Come on. Yeah. So I might do GPS speed at some point. I'm gonna turn the speed down. I don't want it too fast. But yeah, the knobs for like the speed control is kind of, they're pretty loose. You see, the wheel, I think the wheel might be actually a little tighter, which is good. Or there's more resistance, if you know what I mean. That's full speed, kind of halfway. See, this is fun. There is like a jump I might get too, to bash these a little bit in the backyard. Oh, shoot. Just gonna drive it here. I don't feel like going too far. Plus, it's still windy. Yeah, it's definitely much easier to drive than that. But I think the grip is less though. Ooh, that's what didn't want to happen. Got to do the steering trim because it was a little off from the speed run. Yeah, she's definitely faster. There's no doubt about it. It steers easier. So right now I do recommend this better than the Rollarlo. Right now the Rollarlo is cheaper, but they're both fun though. This seems just a little better with the steering wheel, because this has more resistance. So let this car go. Just gonna drive a little more and then, yeah, It's cold. Plus with the new batteries, who knows if it's going to be faster. This thing is good. See, it doesn't dart as much or anything. See, look at that. The Wltoys, you can't do that. But honestly, these are fun. Hey, hey. Oh, I almost got it. Yeah, this thing is quick. I don't know if it's going to get hotter because I tried to put the heatsink, but it didn't really. It fit, but the body was not right. So maybe they make a smaller one. Let me know, guys. All right, that's going to be it. Thanks, guys, for watching. Peace.